Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your cell phone. First, head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download the official Roblox application. Once installed, open it up. You'll then need to either create a brand new account, which is a quick and easy process, or simply log in using your existing Roblox credentials. A strong, stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen, which is packed with recommended games and popular experiences. Take some time to browse around. If you have a specific game in mind, simply use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. The bottom navigation bar is your hub for connecting with friends, checking messages, and managing your profile. It's designed to be intuitive, making discovery and interaction straightforward. Ready to jump into a game? Just tap on any game icon that catches your eye to open its details page. Here, you can read descriptions, see screenshots, and check out player reviews. When you're ready, hit the prominent green play button to join the game server. Most games feature intuitive on-screen controls for movement, jumping, and interacting with objects. Spend a few moments in a new game to get comfortable with its unique control scheme and objectives. To enhance your mobile Roblox experience, here are a few tips. If you're experiencing lag, try adjusting the graphics settings within the game menu. Lowering them can significantly improve performance on less powerful devices. For a truly immersive experience, I highly recommend using headphones to fully appreciate the game's audio. Finally, remember that gaming can drain your battery quickly, so keep an eye on your charge level during longer play sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.